Do you really want to see how I turn my hen house into a live streaming brothel looking hen house? Okay, stick around. I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna see if I can evict my chickens for a little while so I can do the upgrades. I mean, the Christmas spirit is already in the making. I'm just gonna see if we can't make it a little bit more Christmas in here. Hey guys. Okay, first order of business. The chickens are outside. They are not very happy about it, but it's kind of necessary to do the upgrades. So let me show you. This is basically the only heat source we have at the moment. So that should produce enough heat to keep this place warm, I hope. These two pipes or PVC pipes are where the food is stored. So it just falls down and they can eat how much they want. This is an issue. I don't know if you can see that water line, but it's not really water line anymore. It's basically an ice line. So this thing freezes over. Yeah, it's like 5 below in here. It's gonna clean this place up because it's a lot of poop. And yeah, make it warm and cozy for the chickens. So this is Roger's vlogging camera basically. I'm gonna see if that still works and hook it up to a laptop and all that thing. And then we're gonna go ahead and live stream this. I don't know, it's gonna be a little bit like reality show. I don't know, Big Brother-ish as per Roger's request. So I think it's gonna be great. Yeah, let's start with insulation, I think. So we got a window covered with 40 centimeters. The hatch is covered with 40 centimeters. The heating lamp thing is on maximum setting, so it's going to be warm, nice and cozy in here. So it should be warm enough, and hopefully the water won't freeze. I'm going to replace the sawdust with some fresh one. Going to remove a lot of poop, and then we're going to make it a little bit more Christmas cozy in here, and of course replace the water. So it's cleaned out. It's basically no poop left, which is nice. Put in some new sawdust. So now everything smells like, I don't know, pine or something instead of poop, which is smell I prefer. I mean, in order for the chickens to really get into that kind of Christmassy spirit, I need some tacky Christmas lights. So I'm going to put that up around this little thingamajig so they have a nice kind of nightlight for chickens or something. Isn't that exactly what you imagine Christmas be like? I mean, with the red light in the middle, the heating lamp, and these diodes. Is it a bit too sensual? It's not really a Christmas feeling I'm getting. It's more of a, I don't know, sleazy nightclub feel. But sure.
Oh, yeah.
They're back in. Seem to be enjoying themselves. They haven't said anything about my Christmas decorations yet, but I think they like them. I mean, just look at them. Super happy. Thank you for that, Roger. Okay, the hen house is done. It's warm, it's insulated. The Christmas lights are up. So right now I'm looking at new cameras to install because the one I had there it's not the best. And hopefully I'm gonna find a new one during the after Christmas sales so I can get a crisp, clear image from the hen house. So right now I'm setting everything up in OBS to be able to live stream this to my newly created second channel. And it's going to be called Trying to Lay Stuff. I'm going to put a link, down there or somewhere. But that's Roger. Pickamoo over there. I think it's Lily or Susie. They kind of look the same. So go check out Roger's live stream. It's going to be full of food and poop. Probably. And also check out this thing and consider subscribing if you haven't already. So thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.